If Slack is not detecting your microphone, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to get it working again. Whether you're using Slack in your browser or on your computer, the problem is usually caused by a loose microphone connection, the wrong input device being selected, blocked microphone permissions, or simply needing a refresh. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. Let's get started. First, check your microphone connection. If you're using a wired microphone, unplug it and plug it back in securely. If you're using a headset, disconnect it and reconnect it. If you're on a laptop with an external mic or USB headset, try moving it to a different USB port if needed. Sometimes the issue is as simple as the computer not recognizing the microphone properly, so a quick reconnect can solve it right away. Next, make sure your computer is using the correct microphone. On Windows, open Settings, then go to Sound, then scroll down to Input. Here, you should see a list of available microphones. Select the microphone you actually want to use, and then check to see if the input level responds when you speak. If the wrong microphone is selected, Slack may be listening to a different device instead of the one you're actually speaking into. This step is especially important if you have multiple audio devices connected, like a headset, webcam mic, or built-in laptop microphone. Now let's check microphone permissions. If you're using Slack in a browser, look at the top of the browser window and click the lock icon next to the address bar. From there, find the microphone permission setting and make sure it's set to allow. If the browser has blocked microphone access, Slack won't be able to hear you no matter what device you choose. After changing the permission, go back to Slack and test your microphone again. If you're on Windows, you also need to make sure the operating system itself allows microphone access. Open Settings, then go to Privacy and click Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on. If it's off, Slack in your browser may not be able to use the mic properly. Once you turn it on, give the system a moment to apply the change. This is one of the most common reasons microphone issues happen, especially after a system update or privacy setting change. After checking the mic connection, selecting the correct input device, and allowing permissions, the last step is to refresh Slack. If you're using Slack in the browser, reload the page. If you're using the desktop app, close Slack completely and reopen it. A refresh helps Slack detect the updated microphone settings and can clear out temporary glitches. In many cases, this final step is what actually makes the microphone start working again. If your microphone is still not working after that, go back through each step one more time and double check that the correct microphone is selected and that both your browser and system permissions are enabled. Small permission issues or device selection mistakes are often the reason Slack microphone problems continue. And that's it. You've now gone through the main fixes for a Slack microphone problem. Check the connection, select the right input device, allow microphone access, and refresh Slack. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.